Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am going to be doing a full face of Dior makeup, and it is the look that I am wearing right now. I have so many amazing Dior products that I'm going to be applying in this video, so I hope that you enjoy this. If you have been curious about any of these products, you will see how beautiful they apply. Before we get started with today's look, if you are interested in any of the products that I will be using in today's video, you can easily find them in the description box below with the links, and I'm also going to be putting the shades and all of the information that you need. I also want to give you a unique code that you can use so that you can receive a complimentary gift with purchase when you order $130 or more on the Dior.com website. So don't forget to use that code, and I'm going to give you guys some more details about all of the products that I got. Just continue to watch. There are some makeup products in here that I have been dying to try out, and we're going to play with all of these products together. So here is the beautiful packaging that you get when you order from Dior.com. And right now I believe this is the Valentine's Day packaging that they have, which is so beautiful. Whenever you want to shop for Dior products, make sure that you go shop at Dior.com, because there you're going to be receiving complimentary samples and miniature products with every order. The packaging is absolutely beautiful, so it always feels like you're just treating yourself, or even if you're going to give this as a gift, it is just beautiful to buy something for someone and just have it come like this. And they offer so many other things, for example, complimentary shipping for loyalty members, and they also do engraving on fragrance and makeup products, and you can also get the personalized Miss Dior bow as well. So go ahead and check out Dior.com. Let's first get into unboxing this, and then we will start applying the makeup. Look how gorgeous. I don't even want to rip it open when things come like this. I am so excited to dig into all of this makeup. So pretty. Up first, the complimentary minis and fragrances. So I did choose the Dior Addict Peachy Glow and the Purple Glow. I have been dying to try these out, so I'm so happy that I have samples of those now. And I also got a mini for my husband. So I did get the Dior Homme Parfum. And now let's get into what I am so excited to try. So we have the Forever Nude Bronzer, and I got it in the medium matte shade. I also got the Forever Skin Bronze, and this one is the Bronzer Balm Stick, and I got this one in 02 Soft Fair. We have two of the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oils. These have been in my collection for so many years, and I picked up two shades that I cannot wait to try out with a lip combo, because I am so excited about this, you guys. I heard that these are literally the longest lasting lip liners. They are so beautiful, and they are the Rouge Dior Contour Lip Liner Pencils, and I got three. I also have all of my Dior makeup products that I have in my collection, so we're going to be combining the things that I already owned with the new things that I have, and we're going to be doing an entire face of, well, mostly an entire face of Dior, because there's some things that I am missing. But we are going to start off with a very simple eye makeup, and I'm going to be using this Dior eyeshadow palette. This is the Dior Backstage eyeshadow palette in warm neutrals, and this does come with a cream base to put on before you put on your shadows. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that base. So I'm going to go in with this brown here, put this all over the crease. And I love how easy these eyeshadows blend out. It's very effortless. Next, I'm going to take a darker brown shade. I'm going to go with this shade here. And this is only going to go on the outer corner of my eye. Look at how beautiful and easy it is to apply these shadows. And I have to use a tiny amount because of how pigmented they are. So I'm literally just placing the shadow right there. It looks messy. And then we're going to take a clean blending brush and blend those shadows out. And the brush that you're going to use for blending, it's best if it doesn't have any eyeshadow, so that you're not applying more color to the eye. You're literally just getting rid of that line. So I hope that helps out if you are learning how to apply eyeshadow. It is, I think, one of the trickiest things in makeup, but once you get the hang of it, you can do some beautiful looks. This is like a champagne. I feel like it might have a tiny little bit of taupe in there or something. Let's see how it looks on the eyes. Oh, that is a gorgeous color. Look how easy we got like this. You can literally go out to dinner or something with this look. So I placed the eyeshadow and I'm going to take that same brush that I used to blend just to get rid of that harsh line that was right here. Now that I have the eyeshadow done, I am going to apply a little bit of mascara and a little bit of outer lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, the eye makeup is done, so now we can move on to our base makeup. I am going to start off using the Forever Glow Star Filter. I got this, I would say like a couple years ago or last year, and I got mine in the shade 2. So I am going to go ahead and apply this before I go in with my foundation, and this is going to give me a really nice glow to my skin. You see the glow that left my skin just by applying that little bit. I literally did some little tiny dots and it gave me the most beautiful glow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go over that product with the Dior Forever Skin Perfect foundation stick, and I have mine in the shade 2.5N, and I love this foundation for when I'm in a rush and I literally just want to kind of like swipe. Do you see that color match? I just feel like it's like the perfect tone for my skin. And I want to show you just how fast. This is my favorite thing about makeup, is when I can finish very quickly and I'm not fussing and fighting with my makeup. Look at the way that I covered up everything in 2.5 seconds. Flawless base. It's thin. It doesn't feel thick. It's not too drying, but it's not too creamy either. Definitely a foundation that I recommend. This foundation blurs, it smooths your skin. Literally, if you just wanted to wear it by itself on a day that you're running errands or something, it's such a nice foundation. Now we're going to go ahead and add the bronzer stick, and this one is the Forever Skin Bronze in the shade 2. So let's go ahead and check this out. I love the packaging for this. Look how gorgeous this is. And this is shade 2. I'm literally gonna go ahead and just kind of swipe. And it's just as easy to spread out as the foundation, so that is amazing. And I'm just going to put it in all the areas that I usually put bronzer. Did you see how easy that blended into my skin? Bronzers can go so wrong for me so quickly because they will look orange on me, and this just blends so nicely into my skin and just gives me a little bit of that extra color and warmth that I need. I love it. It's literally just tap and you're done. All right, so here's the skin bronze. Very natural on the skin. You can't even tell where I applied this product because it literally melted into the skin like butter. Up next, we're going to apply a cream blush, and their blush sticks are some of my all-time favorites. So these are the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Stick. I have 3 shades. I have Rosewood, Pink, and Toffee. I think today I might go with Rosewood just because Rosewood is that beautiful color that you can wear with any makeup look. So here is the blushes, and the packaging is so gorgeous. So same thing again, I'm just gonna swipe. That looks scary, but trust me, those are the places that I like to put blush. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush and just start patting that into the skin. And I like to bring my blush literally like under my eye. I like the way it looks on my face shape, but we all have like a different placement depending on how our face is shaped. I like to bring it up here just because I feel like it just adds like this fullness. Look how dewy and hydrating this blush formula is. That's what I love about it. So if you have dry skin, Dior's makeup is just a dream to blend out. So here is the blushes, which I have talked about these blushes so much in the past. I love them so much. So creamy, so beautiful. I'm going to apply some concealer and set it because I currently don't have Dior products for that, and then I will be right back so that we can do bronzer next. All right, so now that I have all of that set, I'm gonna go ahead and use the bronzer, which look at the packaging for this bronzer. Isn't this gorgeous? It's soft, and here is shade 2. So I'm going to start off lightly, and then we will see if I can build it up or if it's pigmented. So I'm just going to dip my brush. That's a beautiful bronzer shade. That is so pretty. It's buildable for sure. It does not have any patchiness. Oh, I think I just found my new favorite bronzer. I can get a little heavy-handed with this and it doesn't look super orange on me. It's like this perfect warmth without it being too much. It's a very thin powder. It doesn't even feel like I am putting makeup on. Now that I have bronzer, I'm just going to take a little bit of this pink shade here in this Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. This is the universal one, and I'm gonna take this pink shade right here and just dust a little bit over the cheeks to give a very nice dewy look to the cheeks. And it's going to add a little bit more pink. Look, that's beautiful. It literally looks like I have like liquid diamonds on my cheek. It's so nice. This is kind of like what I would use as a blush topper and highlight in one. And that pink is beautiful. All right, now it's time for the lip combo, which I am so excited about. We're going to be doing like a glossy lip oil combo. So I'm going to try out those lip liners. All right, so I have 3 of the Rouge Dior Contour lip liner pencils. I got the shades 310 Beige Tulle, 329 Nude Blush, and 300 Nude Style. I couldn't make up my mind because they have so many beautiful shades, and this lip liner comes with a sharpener, which is so cute and such a thoughtful product to add because it is a rule. It is an unspoken rule that you always have to sharpen your lip liners. So they even thought about that. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the colors to see which one I'm going to go with today, and I'll show you how they look as well. So here are the 3 lip liner shades. We have a more pinky shade. This one's definitely like on the cooler brown shade, and like a darker warm terracotta almost color. I think I'm gonna go with the middle one, and the middle one is 310 Beige Tulle. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this. Now this lip liner is amazing because it also has the brush in the end so that you can blend it out. That's so important to me. I really like to do that with my lip liner. So let's go ahead and let's line the lips. That color is perfection. Wow, that's almost like the color of my lip. So I feel like I can put this on regular days when I just want to add a little something to my lips, because I hate the way that my lips don't really show the shape. So lining them definitely brings in that fullness, but it doesn't look exaggerated. And they're so creamy. Not creamy to the point where they're super messy to work with. It is the perfect amount. This one's perfect for like every day, and this brush is so soft. I'm having a blast today, you guys. I'm like a little kid right now. So here is the 310 Beige Tulle, which I think this just became like my new favorite lip liner because it doesn't even look like I'm wearing lip liner. I am gonna take one that's a little darker. I'm gonna take Nude Blush 329, and I'm going to go over it just a little bit so that we can get a little bit more definition, just to see how this one shows up. Oh yeah. Oh, you guys, I just found a new lip liner formula that I am obsessed with. Definitely recommend these lip liners. And then now let's go ahead and let's pick a shade from the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oils. So I have 2 shades for this. I have 081 Latte, which is what I think I'm gonna go with, but I also have 007 Raspberry Juicy, or Latte Glaze is the other one. So I'm gonna show you the 2 shades because I fell in love when I saw both of them online. I don't know which one to go with. Okay, so here's both shades, Latte Glaze and Raspberry Juicy. I'm going to try the latte one because I've never had this shade, but I have had the raspberry one before. I love this for every day, just keeping it in your bag or keeping it in your vanity to get ready for your makeup. It just keeps your lips nice and hydrated. So I'm going to go in with the Latte Glaze. Oh, I already knew that was going to be so beautiful. Ooh, I really like this today. It's very simple yet glam at the same time for sure. But it's definitely thin. My face does not feel like I have any makeup on. My skin feels like it can breathe. It's such a pretty makeup look, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. So that brings me to the end of this makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget that you can shop all of the products that I used today, and you can find them in the description box below. I'm definitely going to be adding them to my routine and using them some more. So let me know your thoughts, and definitely treat yourself to some beauty products from Dior.com. Don't forget to use the codes. Don't forget to take advantage of the samples and the minis. And with that said, that is going to be it for today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.